Jai Hind everybody. So today I will teach you the problems based on surface area of cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. So just look at this figure. This is a cylinder. It has two flat surfaces. One is at the top and one is at the bottom. And this is its curved surface. And it is also known as lateral surface of the cylinder. Is it okay? Let the radius of the base is small r. From here to here, this is base radius of the cylinder. And this one, this line, this edge is called the height of the cylinder. Now, we have some formulae. The first one, circumference of the base of cylinder. Since it is circular, so it will be 2 pi into r. The next one is CSA, curved surface area or lateral surface area of the cylinder, that is called 2 pi r multiplied with height. Now the third one, that is total surface area of the cylinder. So that will be this curved surface area plus this area and plus this area. What is the area of this? This is a circle. Its area will be pi r square and its area will be pi r square. So CSA plus base area plus this top area. So what is the CSA? That is 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. This pi r square plus pi r square will become 2 pi r square. So this will become 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Just look here, we can take 2 pi r common here. You will get h plus r. So this is the total surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r or h plus r. Okay. Now this is question number 1 of exercise 13.2. The question is this: the CSA, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. You are given the CSA 88 cm square. Okay, and the height is 14 cm. We have to find the diameter. So we are assuming here that let the radius of the base is r and h is given 14 cm. Okay, according to question, CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, it is given 88 centimeter square. Okay, we can put the value. This 2 pi can be written as 22 upon 7, r is there and 14 is there. This is 88 centimeter. Okay, now we can find the value of r. So r can be calculated as, just look here, this 88 and into 7. 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22, 2 into 22 into 14. Is it there? Now 7 to the 14, so 2 to the 4 and 88. This is 88 upon 88. That is 1 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of the base of the cylinder, that will be given by 2 times of radius, that is 2 into 1, which is 2 centimeter. So what is the diameter of the base? That is 2 centimeter. Now this is question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. So you are given base radius, base diameter was given 140 centimeter. So it will become 140 upon 2, that is 70. So 70 upon 100. For converting the meter, we will divide it by 100. So you will get 0.7 meter. And the height of the cylinder H is given 1 meter. This is given 1 meter. Question is this: how many square meters of the metal sheet are required for the same? आपको जो है क्लोज सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक बनाना है, तो दिस पोर्शन विल बी क्लोज एंड दिस अपर पोर्शन एंड द लोअर पोर्शन विल बी क्लोज. तो हाउ मच मेटल शीट will be required to make that closed cylindrical tank? That will be this CSA plus area of the top and area of the bottom. So when we will add them, so we get total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area of the cylinder, that will be 2 pi r into h plus r. Now put the values. 2 pi is 22 upon 7 into r is there 0.7 meter, h is 1 meter and r is also 0.7 meter. Now just do the calculation. 2 into 22 into 0.7 into 1.7 upon 7. So what will you get? This 7 into this one 0.1, 2 into 22 into 0.1 into 1.7. Just multiply them. This will be 44 or into 0.1, 4.4 into how much? 1.7. Now multiply them. 17 for the 68 and 70 for the 68 and 6 74. So 7.48 meter square. So how much sheet would be required to make the closed cylindrical tank? That is 7.48 meter square. Is it okay? Now this is question number 3rd. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. ये है, this is the metal pipe. Okay, this is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter from here to here. Therefore, the inner radius small r will be 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 centimeter, and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Outer diameter यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, here to here. Therefore, from here to here, this will be outer radius, that is capital R, is given 2.2 centimeter. So what you are given? Inner radius R is 2 centimeter. outer radius capital R is 2.2 centimeter, and it is given the length of the metal pipe. Length of the metal pipe, that is H, given 77 centimeter. Question is this. First part is find its inner curved surface area. First part is inner curved surface area, that will be 2 pi into small r into h. So that is 2 pi is mentioned in this question? No. So this will be 2 into 22 upon 7, r is 2 and height is 77. Now this 7 into 11, 2 to the 4, 4 into this one 22, 88 into 11, 11 8 the 88, 88 and 8 968 centimeter square. So what is the inner CSA? That is 968 centimeter square. Now the second part is outer curved surface area. Now the outer curved surface area will be given by 2 pi into capital R into H. Now put all the values. 2 into 22 upon 7 into R is how much? 2.2 into 77. Now just look here. This 7 into 11. 2 into 22. 44 into 2.2 and 7 1 7 and 7 1 7. Now just multiply them. First I am multiplying from these two. 22 4 ja 88 and 24 2 4 ja 88 and 8 968, and the point will be here, and last is multiplied with 11. Multiply with 11. So now just multiply them. 11 8 ja 88, 11 6 ja 66 and 8 74, 11 9 ja 99 and 7 106. So 106.4.8 centimeter square. So what was the outer CSA? That is 1064.8 centimeter square. And the third part is this. कि find the total surface area. Total surface area will be given by, just look here, find the total surface area. So this will be the total surface area, this shaded region. Okay, this shaded region will be the total surface area. That will be outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area plus, just look at these two bases, this one plus area of two rings. These are the two rings found here. So now first we will find area of ring. Area of ring. Now area of one ring. So now just look here. अगर हम इसको सामने से देखें, इसका फ्रंट व्यू देखें तो ये कैसे दिखेगा आपको, लाइक दिस. This is the small r, this radius is capital R, and this is the ring. This is the this is the front view of this ring. The area of ring will be, that is this shaded region. So that will be area of outer circle. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. What will be the area of one ring? That will be area of this outer circle minus area of inner circle, and the outer circle will be pi into capital R square, and inner circle will be pi into small r square. You can take pi outside. Here you will get capital R square minus small r square. Just put all the values. Pi is 22/7, and now just look here. What is the value of capital R? That is 2.2. 2.2 square minus 2 square. Now just look here. This will be 22/7 into, just look here, 2.2 square 44, and this will be 4.84 minus 2 square is 4. Simply you will get 22/7 and just subtract it. 4.84 minus 4, you will get 0.84. 22 into, just divide this 0.84 from 7. 12 7 ja. This is how much? Just multiply them. 12 2 ja 24, and 12 2 ja 24. 12 2 ja 24, carry 2, 24 and 2, 26. So 2.64 centimeter square. So what will be the area of one ring? That is 2.64 square. And there are total two rings. दो rings हैं यहाँ पे, one at the base and one at the top. So therefore area of two rings, area of two rings, that will be 2 multiplied with 2.64. When you will multiply, you will get 2 4 the 8 and 2 4 the 4, 5.28 centimeter square. These are the total area of the two rings. Now question is this: you find the total surface area. Since the total surface area is given by outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area plus area of two rings. Now the total surface area that will be given by outer CSA. What was outer CSA? This much, 1064.8. 1064.8 plus inner CSA is there 968.0 and the third one is 5.28. 5.28. Now add them. Just look here. Here we will put 0. Here again 0. 8 is here. Now 8 and 2 10. Point is here. Carry is 1. 5 and 6. 6 and 8. 5 and 6 and 8 14 and 4 18. Carry 1. 6, 6, 12 and 1, 13, 1, 10 and 9, 19 and this is 20, 38.08 centimeter square. So what is the total surface area? That is 2038.08 centimeter square. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.